Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on Narrate Academy and welcome back to gear up our mains preparation. All those who are expecting positive result in the prelims exam 2023, जो भी हुआ है जैसा भी दिया है, अगर आप एक सेफ कट ऑफ, लेट्स से आई वुड पर्सनली से कि अगर आप 80 के ऊपर हो बी सेफ, 70 के ऊपर भी हो एटलीस्ट, या लाइक इन यस्टरडेज वीडियो आई हैव टोल्ड, whatever it is, you have to do your mains preparation. Even if you are getting 20 marks, even if you have not given this attempt, then also you should prepare for mains. Yes, you should prepare for mains. But yes, to prepare for this year or next year, ठीक है, let's the results come. But till then, you prepare your mains, GS1, GS2, GS3, GS4, essay, optional, सब कुछ करो. ऐसा तो है नहीं कि आप prelims की preparation start करोगे. Now coming to those who are expecting a safe score, who are getting a safe score, let's say 80, 85 के ऊपर अगर आपके आ रहे हैं, so you are in safe zone, you should start preparing for mains 2023. बाकी देखी जाएगी जब रिजल्ट आएगा, ठीक है. So we are going to talk about our ACE mains test series for 3 months. It's a 3 months program for all those who are writing CSC mains 2023. So quickly I will tell you the features so that if you are taking a call, if you want to take a decision that कि mains की test series join करनी है, so what will be helpful for you, how it will work, those things we will discuss. Accordingly you can take your call. So let me tell about our test series. So this 3 months test series will be like duration will be 3 months only, and here we are focusing on daily practice, and the daily practice which we will be doing will be current affair based topics. In the starting of the week itself, Monday to Friday, we are writing daily answers. Daily 1 answers we will write, and the topics will be given to you in the week advance itself. Let's say Sunday evening को पूरा टॉपिक Monday का, या Saturday evening को पूरे वीक का टॉपिक आपको हम अपलोड करके दे देंगे. So you have to prepare only one topic. You will prepare, we will ask questions, you will write the answers, we will evaluate it on the same day, and the same day synopsis will be also uploaded. Okay? So here we are focusing on daily practice. Right from, we are starting this test series from 5th of June. The daily test will start from 5th of June till August. We are continuing this. ठीक है? Then we will have weekly full length test. Weekly full length test. So Monday to Friday, what we are doing? We are writing daily answers, and weekly Sunday, what we are doing? On Sunday we are having GS syllabus based full test. That is 20 questions का एक test paper रहेगा. So that we are doing every Sunday till the exam. Every Saturday we are having review cum doubt meeting, review meetings, doubt meetings, where we will analyze your performance. It will be a group meeting. You can learn from others as well. अगर किसी को और कोई फीडबैक दिया जा रहा है आप उससे सीख सकते हो. If you want one-on-one interaction, offline, online, that is also possible. We will do that as well. So that is the feature every Saturday. Open camera test will be there, online also, and offline at our center as well. Our center is there in Bangalore, Chandra Layout. So there you can come and write the test offline as well. Now, other features are daily evaluation. Here the daily evaluation which we are talking about, the daily evaluation of the answers which you are writing on daily basis. जो daily आप एक question लिखोगे, you will be given the evaluated copies on the same day. So here what we do, we create a Telegram channel. You all will write, you will post the answer of daily on daily basis there itself. We will evaluate and we will post there itself. So you are learning from your peer as well. So that's why we include this peer learning. Peer learning is there. You learn from others. You see कि क्या सही है, क्या गलत है, कुछ अच्छी चीजें सीखने को है, कुछ अवॉइड करने को है, वो आप करते हो. Quality synopsis will be provided of all the questions. जो भी क्वेश्चन आपको दिया जाएगा, we focus on the multiple dimensions, we focus on the case studies, examples related to that question will be included in that synopsis. In order to check how is our quality, I will tell you, you can go and evaluate our quality as well there. I will tell you later. And in the end, so this daily test and weekly test we are continuing till the last week of August. And you can check the schedule as well. I will tell you how and where the schedule is uploaded, and there you can go and check the schedule. In the last week of August, we have kept revision test. So let's say we are starting from the 5th June till August 20th. We are writing weekly basis and daily basis we are writing. But again, you should revisit those questions. It's not that you are writing and you are not able to consolidate those learnings, the learnings from the synopsis. The points which you have got on the evaluation, like what to do, what not to do, ये सारे जो points मिलते हैं और जितने सारे क्वेश्चन उनको रिविजिट भी तो करना है. सो इन द लास्ट वीक ऑफ दिस August we have kept revision test where you will revisit all the questions, same questions, and you will write, and then you will see whether you have been able to incorporate the content, whether you have been able to incorporate the feedback or not. So it will be GS 1, 2, 3, 4 के जितने भी questions हम किए रहेंगे आप रिवाइज करके आओगे, हम revision test देंगे. And in the first week of September we have exam scenario test, morning, evening, GS1, GS2, GS3, GS4. So ऐसा रहेगा. So this is quickly about our the features of our test series, and let me tell you why should you join, because here we are focusing on daily reflection and correction. You are writing only one question, you are reading only one topic, but you are preparing that topic in a holistic manner and you are coming and writing, and that to current affair based. ठीक है? So you are writing, we are evaluating, so daily learning is happening and daily course correction is happening, and you are using this daily course correction in this learning you are using in the weekly test. So learn and experiment in the weekly test. That is how the alignment is happening. We are doing holistic coverage, all the GS papers are there, GS 1, 2, 3, 4 वो सारा कवर हो रहा है. करंट अफेयर्स का कवरेज हो रहा है, लास्ट 1 ईयर्स का करंट अफेयर्स का कवरेज होगा थ्रू द डेली टेस्ट. जो भी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स हैं, इवन वी विल इंक्लूड देम एट द राइट पेस इन द जीएस सिलेबस बेस्ड जो टेस्ट सीरीज टेस्ट होंगे वीकली, उसमें भी इंक्लूडेड रहेगा. वैल्यू एडिशन थ्रू आवर सिनॉप्सिस वी आर फोकसिंग ऑन द वैल्यू एडिशन, मल्टीपल डायमेंशंस, केस स्टडीज, एग्जांपल्स जो भी relevant हैं that will be given to you, and uniqueness of answer will be appreciated, you will be rewarded, and you will be able to maintain your uniqueness of answer when you will compare your answers with the peer, and based on what you are doing on daily basis उससे जब आपको feedback मिलेगा, uniqueness in the answers will be maintained, it will you will be able to evolve. ठीक है, तो ये सारी चीजें रहेंगी. And trust me, after this प्रैक्टिस, इतना सारा प्रैक्टिस करने के बाद जब आप एग्जाम में जाएंगे तो ये डर नहीं रहेगा कि कुछ आया ही नहीं पढ़ा हुआ, सारी चीजें पढ़ी हुई आएंगी और आपको अच्छा भी लगेगा, राइट? बिकॉज दैट कॉन्फिडेंस विल बी देयर. सो कॉन्फिडेंस बूस्टर. सो बाय द एंड ऑफ दिस होल टेस्ट सीरीज यू वुड हैव रिटन 17 फुल लेंथ टेस्ट, GS 1, 2, 3, 4. You would have written on daily basis almost 55 daily tests would be there. So this way you are doing the rigorous practice where you are learning on daily basis and learning, experimenting and using them on the weekly test. Baki you can write, you can show other questions as well. कुछ doubts हो, feel free to ask, वो सारी चीजें रहेंगी. So don't worry about that. Now let me show you. There is also feature open camera test. तो हम daily वाला टेस्ट भी open camera ले लेते हैं. ऐसा हमने अपने other टेस्ट सीरीज में एक्सपेरिमेंट किया है. So this is how we fix a timer and all the students will write. We also do our weekly test. ओपन कैमरा टेस्ट होता है. इट इज फॉर ऑल दोज स्टूडेंट्स हु आर लाइक इन डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द कंट्री. कोई कश्मीर में, कोई अरुणाचल प्रदेश में, कहीं कहीं आप अलग अलग पार्ट्स में बैठ के अगर टेस्ट लिखना चाहते हो, दिस इज हाउ वी डू. ओपन कैमरा टेस्ट होता है. सारे बच्चे एक ग्रुप की फीलिंग रहती है, फैमिली की फीलिंग रहती है, यू आर लर्निंग टुगेदर. ठीक है, सो दिस इज अनदर फीचर. ऑल्सो this is our weekly review meeting where everybody will gather and they will ask their doubts. We will review their answers. We will review in general their performance of the week. वो सारी चीजें यहाँ पे होती हैं, doubts लिए जाते हैं. So this is how we do. Then as I told you that we have a Telegram group. In Telegram group we post the evaluated questions, evaluated answers. You can learn from others copies as well. So daily वाले answers आपको ग्रुप में मिलेंगे. जो वीकली टेस्ट होगा वो पर्सनली शेयर किए जाएंगे. देन वी हैव, यू कैन चेक आवर टेस्ट सीरीज. आप हमारी वेबसाइट पे जाके एक फ्री आंसर राइटिंग चैलेंज हमने, वी विल प्रोवाइड द लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स एज वेल. सो फ्री आंसर राइटिंग चैलेंज हमने स्टार्ट किया था जनवरी में, 26 जनवरी टू 28 फरवरी. इट वाज 40 डेज प्रोग्राम स्पेशली फॉर दोज हु वांटेड टू फाइन ट्यून देयर आंसर राइटिंग. तो हमने यहाँ पे वी यूज्ड टू डू द डेली आंसर राइटिंग फॉर 1 month. It was there. Okay, so free answer writing challenge was there. There you can go, the free access is there. You can check the question, you can check the quality, synopsis quality. You can evaluate everything. That will give you a sense how do we conduct this test series and what is our quality. So that will help you in evaluating and taking a decision as well. And even you can practice those questions. Okay, now coming to this test series. So when you will go to our portal, you will find this ACE Mains Test Series 3 months program. for UPSC CSE 2023, where daily answer writing practice is being done, static weekly basis static syllabus is being covered, and current affairs is being covered. And this 3 months test series we have kept, the fee was originally 12,000, but we are giving it at more than 25% of discount. So 8888 is the fee for the 3 months. And let me tell you, when you will go on the website there, when you will click, you can enroll for free and you can check the 3 month schedule. It will help you in taking a decision that how the whole test series would be, how the whole program will be, and based on that you can evaluate how it is going to help you. So ये schedule आप देख सकते हो. आप quality के लिए free answer writing challenge पे we will provide the link, you can go and check. What else? बाकी आपको कभी भी कोई भी ज़रूरत हो, be it mentorship, if you want to show your answers, we are always there. Feel free. And offline you can visit us. Online number is provided. WhatsApp number is there. You can approach us. Telegram ID is there. You can approach us anytime. So this is about our mains test series 3 months program. Okay? And all the details, all the links will be provided. So take the charge of your mains preparation. Don't delay it. Just like एक speculation या wait करने के चक्कर में इसको delay मत करो आप. And take the charge. Start early. We are starting from the 5th June itself. So अगर early lead लोगे अच्छा रहेगा. ठीक है? And we will also guide you how to balance overall your preparation. जब हमारी review meeting होगी, we will take care of your daily routine, your optional, so you will not be alone. Okay, so we will be there with you on this whole journey. See you all, take care, feel free to ask any doubt if you have. Bye bye.